Today we will explore some free websites to download PNG resources. So watch the video to the end. The first site we have is PNGegg.com. After arriving on the landing page, search for any object, as I will search for dollars. Here we have searched results. Choose the desired image to download. Sometimes it asks for solving puzzles. Solve the puzzle to confirm yourself human. LOL. Here it is downloaded. Drag it and paste it to any image editing software to check the quality. As you can see, it is a real PNG image. After exploring the first site, we will go towards the second website. The second site's name is SubPNG.com. Search your desired image, as I will search for a gaming logo. Select the required image to download. Click on the free download and it will directly download to your storage. Again, drag the downloaded image to any editing software. Okay, it's perfect. The third site on the list is the PNGTree.com. Here on the landing page, search for the desired image. Click on the image to download. Click on the free download button. It's showing to log in for download image. Don't worry, log in with your email and it will download. The fourth site on our list is the StickPNG.com. Search for your desired image, icon, or and kind of image resources. Choose any image from the results to download. Drag it to any previewing software. Now the last website on our list is PNGPix.com. Search here on the search bar for your desired image to download. So these are some of the best sites to download transparent images, logos, icon and any kind of images. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.